Mathematics 4, Quarter 4, Week 2, Matatag Curriculum. For the content, we have simple patterns, number sentence. For the review, let's have activity number 1. Who's next? Instructions: study the pictures below and draw the next figures. What are the possible number of boxes that may follow? How did you determine the number of boxes? Explain. For activity number 2, who's missing? Instructions: complete the sequence by writing what is missing. Here are the set of numbers. For number 1, 3, 6, 9. Let us now answer. You write the correct answers are 12, 15, and 18. For number 2, 42, 40, 38, 36, 34, 32, and 30. For number 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. For number 4, A, B, A, B, A, B, and A. For number 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. For the lesson purpose, we have analysis of activity 1. Can you write the number pattern that describes the picture above? Is the pattern increasing or decreasing? Why? Can you state the rule that describes the pattern? For the analysis of activity 2, number 1, state the rule that describes each pattern. Very good. In number 1, the numbers are increasing by 3. Add 3 each time. The next numbers are 12, 15, and 18. For number 2, the rule is the numbers are decreasing by 2. Subtract 2 each time. The next numbers are 36, 34, 32, and 30. For number 3, the rule is the numbers are increasing by 2. Add 2 each time. The next numbers are 9, 11, and 13. Number 4, rule, the letters alternate between A and B. The next letters are A, B, and A. For number 5, rule, the numbers are increasing by 5. Add 5 each time. The next numbers are 25, 30, 35. Number 2, which pattern is repeating? You're right. The pattern that is repeating is pattern 4, AB, 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 where the letters alternate between A and B. For the unlocking content vocabulary, let's define some terms. First is pattern. It is defined as a sequence of repeating objects, shapes, or numbers. A pattern has a rule that tells us which objects belong to the pattern and which objects do not belong to the pattern. Next, number sentences are a combination of numbers and mathematical operations. For the subtopic 1, we have rules in generating patterns. Identifying and extending patterns. Find what is changing in the patterns. Check if that same pattern applies throughout the sequence to create the rule. Use the rule to extend the pattern. Number patterns. Increasing number patterns. Patterns whose numbers are getting bigger. Decreasing number patterns. Patterns whose numbers are getting smaller. Example number 1. Find the next 3 numbers in this pattern: 7, 10, 13, 16. Here is the solution. Think the numbers increase by 3 from left to. The rule for the pattern is add 3 to the previous term to get the next number. So the next 3 numbers are 19, 22, and 25. Example 2. What are the next 3 numbers in this pattern? 24, 20, 26, 12. Think the numbers decrease by 4 from left to right. For the solution, the rule for the pattern is subtract 4 to the previous term to get the next number. So, the next 3 numbers are 8, 4, 0. Example 3. What are the next 3 numbers in this pattern? 1, 2, 4, 8. Think each number is twice the number to its left. Solution: the rule for the pattern is multiply 2 to the previous term to get the number. So the next 3 numbers are 16, 32, 64. Example 4. What are the next 3 numbers in this pattern? 4096, 2048, 1024. Think each number to the right is half the number to the left. For the solution, try dividing by 2. 4096 divided by 2 equals 2048. The rule of the pattern is divide 2 to the previous term to get the next number. So, the next 3 numbers are 512, 256, and 128. Patterns in tables. Example 5. Study the table below. What is the total cost of printing 6 t-shirts? For the first column, we have number of t-shirts, 3, 4, 5, and 6. For the second column, we have the total cost of printing, 150 pesos, 200 pesos, 250 pesos, and the last row is unknown. Solution: the rule for the pattern is multiply 50 to get to the next number. Answer: it will cost 300 pesos to print on 6 t-shirts. Find the next 3 numbers in the pattern. Describe the rule for the pattern. Number 1, 7, 11, 15, 19. The rule for the pattern is blank. The next 3 numbers are blank. Number 2, 1, 3, 9, 27. Number 3, 25, 23, 21, 19. Number 4, 50, 46, 42, 38. Number 5, 1, 4, 16, 64. Here are the correct answers. For number 1, rule, add 4. The next three terms are 23, 27, 31. Number 2, rule, multiply 3. The next three terms are 81, 243, and 729. For number 3, rule, subtract 2. The next three terms are 17, 15, 13. Number 4, rule, subtract 4. The next three terms are 34, 30, 26. Number 5, rule, multiply 4. The next three terms are 256, 1024, and 4096. Answer the following. Look at the numbers provided in the table. For spiders, we have 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. For the legs, 24, 32, and 48. Number 1. What number do you think is missing from the top row? Why? What numbers are missing at the bottom row? Why? Number 3. Complete the table. And for number 4, describe the pattern. Here are the correct answers. For number 1, we have 4. Number 2, 8, 16, 40. For number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and 48. Number 4, the pattern follows the rule by adding 8. Mark made a chart for this pattern. We have figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4, and figure 5. What should be in figure 6? Draw the figure. Describe the pattern using a number pattern. Here are the correct answers. For number 2, we have 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Subtopic 2, finding the missing numbers. Addition and subtraction are opposite operations. In addition sentence, 12 plus 15 are the addends, and the 27 is the sum. For subtraction sentence, 27 minus 12 is equal to 15. 27 is the minuend, 12 is the subtrahend, and 15 is the difference. Multiplication and division are opposite operations. For the multiplication sentence, 8 times 9 are the factors, and 72 is the product. For the division sentence, 72 divided by 9 equals 8. 72 is the dividend, 9 is the divisor, and 8 is the quotient. Example 1. Find the missing value in the number sentence. 20 plus blank equals 28. You're right. For the solution, to get the missing addend, 28 minus 20 is equal to blank. The answer is 28 minus 20 is equal to 8. Example 2. Problem solving. The total cost of buying a ballpen and a notebook is 43 pesos. If a ballpen costs 15 pesos, how much is a notebook? Here is the number sentence. Cost of ballpen plus cost of notebook is equal to 43. 15 pesos plus blank is equal to 43. To get the cost of a notebook, 43 pesos minus 15 pesos is equal to blank. Answer, 43 pesos minus 15 pesos is equal to 28. The cost of a notebook is 28 pesos. Example 3. Find the value of n in the number sentence. 18 minus n is equal to 5. Solution. To get the missing subtrahend, 18 minus 5 is equal to n. Answer, 18 minus 5 is equal to 13. Therefore, n is equal to 13. Example 4. Find the value of n in the number sentence. N minus 37 equals 68. Solution. To get the missing minuend, 37 plus 68 equals n. Answer, 37 plus 68 equals 105. Therefore, n equals 105. Example 5. Nena wants to buy a pencil case worth 80 pesos. She saves 10 pesos a day. After how many days can she save enough money to buy the pencil case? Here is the solution. For the number sentence, savings plus number of days is equal to 80 pesos. 10 pesos times blank equals 80 pesos. To get the number of days, 80 pesos divided by 10 pesos is equal to n. The answer, 80 pesos minus 10 pesos is equal to 8. It takes 8 days. Example 6. Find the missing value in the number sentence. 40 divided by blank equals 5. Solution. To get the missing divisor, 40 divided by 5 equals blank. Answer. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. Example 7. Find the value of n in the number sentence. N divided by 8 equals 12. Solution. To get the missing divisor, 8 times 12 equals n. Answer. 8 times 12 equals 96. Therefore, n equals 96. Find the value of n in the following number sentences. Here are the correct answers. Number 1, 48. 2, 37. 3, 34. 4, 5. Number 5, 135. 6, 34. 7, 15. 8, 5. Number 9, 7. And number 10 is 42. For learners' takeaways, write 3 things you have learned in your notebook and share it with the class. Reflection on learning. Complete the sentence. The mathematical skill or skills that I discover within myself while doing these activities that I want to improve most is or are blank. Because blank. For the assessment, draw the next term in the pattern. Here are the correct answers. Write the missing numbers that will complete the pattern. Here are the correct answers. Number 1, 22, 30. Number 2, 40, 70. Number 3, 23 and 38. Number 4, 40 and 56. Number 5, 4 and 2. Find the value of n to make the number sentence true. For numbers 6 to 10. Here are the correct answers. Number 1, 16. 2, 35. 3, 8, 4, 24. 5, 109. 6, 7. Number 7, 53. Number 8, 7. Number 9, 8. And number 10 is 52. For your homework, look at your surroundings. Can you see patterns? Make a photo collage of the patterns.